Are you an experienced corporate professional and you have long experience in a particular domain, you have mastery over technical skills, but still you feel stuck in your career? You're stagnated at mid-career, your current company is not respecting you, it's not giving you growth, nor you're getting good job offers in the market. I've always observed senior leaders and I've personally worked with senior professionals as a career coach, and I've seen a pattern. All these people who continue to grow in their careers have these 5 skills. They have honed, they have nurtured those skills, and they practically use it. Instead, if you continue to focus only on your technical skills, yes, they are important, but you will always hit a glass ceiling in the corporate world. So, I'm going to share those 5 skills which you must have to continuously grow and really get to the point, get to your dream career. So stay with me till the end of this video. This is Harshad Bhagwat. I work full-time as a career coach for senior professionals like you. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel so that more people see this video, and you will always get notified for my future videos. Coming back to these 5 top skills, the first skill is introspection skill. All the top leaders know themselves very well. Okay, you have to know yourself very well. You are not just 10 years experienced marketing manager working with FMCG company. You are not just 22 years experienced technical architect with IT services. Those are just the tags they give you. You are much more than that. What are you really good at? What do you look for in your career? Those are called as career values. What are your career interests? What are the tasks, specific tasks you enjoy doing? You are just extremely good at that. What are your personality traits, and accordingly, which types of roles and industries you are perfect? And what exactly is your value proposition? What do you do for the company and in return you get paid the salary? What is your unique value proposition, as I say, inside my Career Champions Club? And inside my Career Champions Club, I make sure all my students have their unique value proposition articulated and recorded in a statement, what we call elevator pitch. Do you know your unique value proposition crystal clear? Why your current company pays you, and why should your future company give you a promoted position, a better salary? Do you know yourself very well? You stand firm on who you are. Okay, in today's world, we always have our masks on, but you know what? At your work, you are most productive in a particular task. You love doing few things. So you have to be really knowing that. And when your career matches with that, you will be unstoppable. Okay, magic will start unfolding in your career. So that's the first skill, the introspection skill. Make sure you always know who you are. That's the foundation on which you build your career, right? The second skill you need to continuously grow in your career is market research. See, we live in a market, we function in a job market, right? I hope you have not forgotten that you get salary in return of something you exchange, and it's not your time. It's not like you're coming to office at 9, you're going back at 8 p.m. and that's why you get your salary paid. It's not like that. It's the output you deliver to the company. Now, let me ask you, which companies need your output? What do they do? What business model they have? What size? What culture you want? Which companies need people like you and they are actually ready to give you great salaries? And how is market changing? When you graduated, the market was different in your domain. How has it changed since pandemic? How is it changing with the rise of AI? Now we have electric vehicles, we have green technologies. All industries are bound to change all the time. Are you investing time, money, effort to understand how market is evolving? Are you researching the market? Are you researching the expectations from the same employers, from your current employer, and the kinds of future employers you want to get in? Market research, understanding the market, and there are of course tools like LinkedIn, there are databases possible. But you know what? I always like to get my research done from people who work in those fields, who work in those positions. And in today's world, even we have podcasts from on YouTube where industry leaders share their experience, and is every possibility you can reach out to them on LinkedIn and you can ask what I call informational interview questions. So if you join my Career Champions Club, you get all that, and you get those questions. I will tell you how do you network with industry leaders confidently and even get their valuable time. So, and I also tell you how you can use LinkedIn to constantly understand what's happening in your industry. So market research skills give you that insight that how the technology, how your market, how the expectations from the industry from you are going to change, and how you will be able to align yourself. So even if market changes like this, you will be able to align yourself to that, and you will always be valuable in the market. You will always be in demand. Yes, hope you're liking this video. If you have any question at any point, you can always comment below this video wherever you are watching it, on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook. I'll always reply to your comments. Yes. The third skill you need is communication and personal branding. In today's world, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, right? I'm sure you are proficient in your domain, you're good at what you're doing, but what if nobody knows that? What if you are not communicating that? Yes, you have been going to your office 9 to 9, you have been going on Sundays as well, but what if your boss, your super boss, your general manager, VP doesn't know about you? Will you ever get promoted? It's not just the work you do, it's the visibility as well. And starting from your weekly team meeting to even your quarterly review and your performance reviews and your resume, your LinkedIn profile, your job interviews, everywhere you need confident communication. I'm not just talking about English here. It's like the way you communicate, the way you put your point forward. Of course, your body language, your voice comes into play. And in today's world, it's not just they physically meeting you. LinkedIn has become our de facto personal brand online, right? At least for professionals like us. What does your LinkedIn profile tell them about you? Is your headline just marketing manager at this company? Is it like just your designation? Are you branding your employer more than yourself? Is your LinkedIn profile working for you? And I have several videos on building powerful LinkedIn profiles. So I'll put them below this video, and make sure you check them out. Your communication, make sure they always know what are you good at, what is your value, what is your output. They will always start respecting your inputs in the team meetings, in leadership reviews, and you will be visible. They will understand the qualities you have, and they will spot you when the new opportunity comes. When you brand yourself well, you start getting inbound opportunities. Yes, job opportunities, but why not book review opportunities, your speeches in your industry conferences. All that is happening with my students as well inside Career Champions Club. They are branding themselves online and they are getting inbound opportunities as well. Okay, so third skill, communication and personal branding. Make sure you're always seen, visible, and they respect you. The fourth skill you need is networking skills. See, in today's world, your network is your net worth. What you know is important, but whom you know is equally important. And as a typical corporate professional, you may not understand this concept, but as an entrepreneur, I value my network, literally. Have you ever thought like this? Why people go to those expensive conferences, for one day they charge many thousand rupees? Why do they go? Is it for lunch? No, it's for the network. Why do people buy those expensive memberships? They go for golf. It's the real reason is the people they meet. They might get 1 minute with a person, but that's the starting point of a lifelong fruitful relationship. You already have a network. What about your ex-boss, your ex-colleagues, your college friends, alumni? Do you nurture your current network, and do you build network in your targeted world? Let's say in your current industry, do you build network with the similar person in other companies? See, they might refer you later. They might know what's happening in the industry, how industry is evolving. Do you network with industry leaders? Sometimes 5 minutes with a person can completely change your career trajectory. In today's world, what happens is that we live in a world where, it's like constantly connections have to happen. Constantly you have to build your network and you have to nurture your existing network. So every week, why not just ping one person on WhatsApp when you see them winning an award or their child goes to school? Why not comment congratulations on their Facebook, on their WhatsApp status? Continuously you have to build and nurture your networking skills. Make sure you always at the right place at the right time. The fifth most important skill is selling and convincing skills. See, it's in today's world, in corporate world, you are the product. You are the service provider. Through your time, your skills, your experience, your certifications are inputs, but the output is what you're giving to the corporate world. Are you able to sell that to the company? Are you able to sell that to your current company? Why they should promote you? Why they should promote you to general manager, your leadership position? Why the next company deserves you and give you the salary hike you feel you deserve? You got to sell yourself, and constantly. Okay, again, starting with your team meetings to reviews to performance reviews and to your job interviews. Selling is also about understanding what the other person needs, what he or she wants to hear, what will they note down, and you communicating what you are, what you have to offer. Selling also understanding what are their needs, what does your current company needs, where are they taking themselves, what goes in your boss's performance review, balance scorecard, and how you fit into that, and how can you make sure you are constantly relevant, aligned to that. What does market need? What are their expectations? What does that JD say? And accordingly, can you showcase that you have what it takes? And that's why you deserve that promotion and next salary and next job. So you got to constantly sell yourself, convince them that you're good at it. And of course, you deliver the output, what you promised after that. So these are the 5 skills you always need to continuously grow in your career. Was this bulb on? Was this something you have never thought of? Which skill you feel you will start improving from today? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this video was valuable. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on LinkedIn. I'll continue to help you build your career forward. Bye-bye.